Hey everybody, I'm Death Dealer and welcome back to, we're about to find out what's in the bag. I've run out of boxes to do this with, I guess. They're not shipping things in boxes anymore. So here we go. Dun, 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 dun. It is from Dude Wipes. Oh, hey. And we have a shirt. Red, white, and poo. MERICA 250th tour Dude White. This is great. Okay, on the back, it's got MERICA 250th tour. And then its got Chicago, New York, Miami, Los Angeles, taco spot, bathroom, gas station off of I-80, some dude's apartment, and all situations in between. Okay, that's funny. That's so funny. That's so funny. I can't tell if you guys can see. Okay, yeah, it's in the frame. We're good. All right. So thanks, Dude Wipes. Awesome. I'm definitely going to start wearing this. So thank you. And I will be buying more Dude Wipes as well. So that's it for now. I'm Death Dealer. And leave a like, a comment, and let me know if you like Dude Wipes. Bye.